And boom, back with another one. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Hopefully, it was a productive weekend, got some things done. Hopefully, you didn't waste time. So, my analysis for this week, I'm still long. I want to see this being taken, and then I want to see this being taken. But I would allow for it to come and wick down into these. So again, as long as we stay above this, I'm saying this, we go below it, I would say this down here. Go to 5 minutes and see what's going on. And we'll get rid of all the first presented fair value gaps from last week. I have another thing with them on them, so I won't use them. And then let's see what else we got. So this yellow line right here was a sell side from last week. That if it didn't take this is what I was looking at, which that's where we are now. Like I said, I wouldn't be opposed to running all the way down here and testing this new week opening gap from Monday, May 12th. But I mean, again, I'm primary long. But then we got all these resting down. So again, primarily long, but I know that market has to go down to go back up. Again, let's see where we're at on the daily right now. Wicked into halfway. We still got this down here, and this is technically, this is a volume imbalance. The price has not visited to. So again, I'm primarily long. Do I see this week going up here and tagging this? I'm gonna say no. The economic calendar is spotty. I don't think we have anything today. I don't think there's anything Tuesday. I'm pulling this up so we can check. Come on. The slow computer. Save me. Page unresponsive. Wait. There we go. All right, and I'm going to show you guys what we're looking at. Economic calendar. Oh, wrong button. So today is May 5th, or I'm sorry, May 19th. So again, we got nothing today on the economic calendar. No medium or high news or no medium or high news drivers. Tuesday, there's nothing. Monday, there's nothing. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, whatever move I take has to jump out at me. It has to say, hey, this is it. This is the one. If not, we take nothing. Oh, you gonna pop back up? There we go. Again, I'm learning, figuring out how to do all this. I've never worked Streamlabs before. But we gonna get it though. We're gonna get it though. You know, like I said, I wouldn't be opposed to running these. But with nothing on the economic calendar, I can't say I expect much. But again, whatever move that I am looking for today, it has to jump out at me. Like it has to say, hey, this is the one. And for that, I think I'm gonna wait for first presented fair value gap after 9:30 to see where we're interested in. See, I feel like it could either go either way. You could either go here or it can go down here. But ideally, I want to see something close over the daily. Down, stay back up. Again, we'll see. See what the 1 week looks like. 1 week, we got all that. Got this down here. Got this. Got this volume imbalance right here. And we also hadn't returned into Monday's range at all. Like at all. Regular trading hours, what's left open? Let's see. I got this. Again, I'm primarily long because I do think we'll get these. When? I'm not sure. That I don't know. But that is my bias. That's my analysis. We'll see what happens. I know I need to stick to it and not change it, not panic and change it at least. But that's part of learning, it's part of the journey, part of the process. Let's see what is over here. And we got all these 5-minute bissies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You know, I'd say still long throughout the week, but my draw is these. But the way this is sitting, I feel like it could go either way. Start down there. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. See what ES is doing. Where ES is. It's pretty close. I don't see anything that says we're out of sync. They pretty much look the same. It's like the only difference is NASDAQ made a higher high at Friday at 840. I mean, I guess this did too, but it just did it earlier. Let's see where we're at on this daily. Goodness gracious. So we got daily, busy there. So ES is closed over it. I would like to see it stay in the top half. But again, we have all this open. We had a big old volume imbalance there. This big old volume imbalance. Ay, ay, ay. Damn, this microphone picking up everything. You hear all the cars on my street. God dang. I'm pretty sure I got the noise canceling thing on. Sheesh. And now we wait. We hit consequent encroachment of this daily. Stayed above it. All right, equal highs right here. And I'm primarily long. But we do have all these down here. Again, we did not retrace back into Monday's range at all last week. Like at all. So if it goes short, it makes sense. But again, I'm looking for longs. And with there not being anything on the economic calendar, like I said, it has to literally jump out at me. I want to see either sell side or buy side taking, and it says, okay, this is it. 9:30 regular trade hour. A big old gap. Open. Close. Opening range gap, consequent encroachment. I don't even use order blocks. Opening range gap. And then since we opened up lower, we're at a premium. So by 10 o'clock, we want to see that reach up into that line thickness. Back to regular trading hours. Top of the daily, busy. This is 9:30, so we're waiting on the next candle. And then this is where I'm not sure, because we opened it up at a discount. We know market doesn't stay at a discount very long. Why is it a discount? Well, because it's below where we close on Friday. taking 2. We're going to go long to the consequent encroachment of this. Stop loss. We'll go there. And now we wait. And we're going to stay in this. I don't want to see it close below this. And that's assuming I have my draw right. And I think I have it right because, well, we're at a discount. I want to see it go up to at least equilibrium. And then from there, I'm not sure. Again, I could be wrong and I'm okay with it. I need to give me some tunes going so I could oh, not that one. That's ICT. We don't want that. I mean, we do want it, but we don't want to be playing that while we trading, no. While we trading, no. We're gonna listen to Glitterbox Radio Show, where love lives. And I said, well, we wanted something that was going to jump out at us. This said, hello, I'm here. I'm going to take 1. Where's this at? Oh, that's a stretch, man. That's a stretch. 15 minutes. Oh, let me make sure this ain't playing. Turn that down. And I'm going to measure this wick because right now this is the highest wick. So in order for me, or what I would like to see as more of a, I guess, a confirmation for me, I'm going to measure this wick and I want to see it close and stay above this right there. Because remember, wicks are treated like gaps. So that's what we're looking for right there. So in 5 minute, measure that. We're at the 1 minute. And this is London high session here. So basically all I want to see is it take this, then reach up into here. And it's like, why? Well, that's, again, we opened up at a what? We opened at a discount. We know what? Market doesn't stay at a discount very long. Like at all. So now we're going to start managing this trade. Since we're already out some, I'm bringing my stop loss to break even. And now we're going to manage it. Well, what do you want to see? Well, I would like to see it go up to opening range gap, consequent encroachment. If they don't get it, they don't get it. Again, we're already, see, we just ran London high. So again, this is what I'm going to do again. I'm going to take this wick, and all I want to see is close above that. And that's not necessary. That's confirmation for me. That gives me comfort because it's telling me, okay, well, this is a gap. Market is closing above it. So what's going on? What's up there? So there's something up there that the market's interested in. I'm going for consequent encroachment of the opening range gap. We're above my 5-minute wick. See, we're above this wick. The next highest one is this right here. Again, treating wicks like gap, it just, to me, it just makes sense to measure them. Like, it literally just makes sense to measure them. Again, here's my highest one here. I want to see something close above halfway. Send that over. We'll exit that. And then we need to pay attention. What are we doing? This is an equal high right here. So after we hit that, I need to pay attention and see how are we operating around that. And I didn't even use the first presented fair value gap today. That's the crazy part. Didn't even use it this morning. I said it tagged this opening range gap, consequent encroachment. I'm out. See y'all tomorrow. See y'all tomorrow. What did my friend used to say? He said it's good enough for the chicks that I hang around. That's funny. All right, again, this is the wick I want to pay attention to. Because technically that is a buy side equal highs. So I want to see, do we close above it? And we did not. And there we go. Let's go, man. Demo ballin'. So again, we're above this 5-minute wick. Now I'm going to start looking at inefficiencies. We got this one here. We're closing above it. So we got an inefficiency there. I'm going to send this to the right. See, and I don't like that. And this is 5-minute Sibi. Oh. Extend to the right. So that was pretty much equal highs ran up there. So I'm about to go and close it straight. And we're still above that, wicked into this. You know, that's a 5-minute Sibi. Sell side, buy side of balance, meaning buy side hasn't been delivered. And what are we doing here? We're delivering buy side. See if we can get that opening range gap. Right, if we can tag that, I'll be done. So what we got on ticks? 323 ticks. That's pretty dope. Again, we're just watching how market is responding around this. Do I want to sit through a retracement and all that? Not really. Not really. So, boom. Close it. Let's see. What do we do today? Again, demo balling. Demo balling like a mofo, bro. Demo balling. So I started this account in January, I think February 2nd. January, February, March, April, May. So we about 4 months in. Started with I think 20 or 25,000. It's crazy because I'll go through this and I'll look at the trades that I did take, and the progression is awesome. You can tell where I started to get comfortable. You can tell where, oh, excuse me, where I wasn't sure. I said I started this in, I think it was February. We'll see. Trying to get all the way down to the bottom. Like I said, I know how to freaking trade, man. I know how to trade. Can't nobody tell me otherwise. Sometimes feeling what I know feels illegal, but that's the cool part. And I love, man, when I tell people, hey, what do you do? Oh, well, I'm a trader. And they go into a spew about how the market's difficult and this and that. And I just be looking at them like, funny. Obviously, you have no idea. And nor is it my job to change anyone's thought process or how they see things. Come on, compute. You ain't computing. All right, here we go. She a little slow. She a little slow. But she worked though. Mm, 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 mm. Man, come on, man. You ain't gonna let me show. It's cool. Y'all get it. Like I said, we started with 20. Um, February something. I think it was February 2nd. Started with 20. Realized P&L is up to 100. Count balance 120. So again, I know. Oh, this computer is like, no, you trying to do too much. I wasn't built for this. Dang. All right, I'm gonna wait so I can show y'all. Oh, all right, yeah, we ain't doing this. Compute's not computing. Um, Dang, she is stuck. Oh, snaps. Well, at least we can see a chart, I guess, and see where we're at. Oh, snaps. We looked into the new week opening gap. That's dope. Come on, compute. Dude, there's so many different ways you can trade. It is ridiculous. Like, it is ridiculous. Like, wow. So I could have took long here just in the bottom of this, take one and see if we can get up here. Like, this is crazy. Oh, come on. I want to see where that opening range gap ended. Did we get to halfway of it? All right, let me see. Again, man, I'm about to be done with this. I got what I was looking for. See, there's no way that's a coincidence. Like, there's no way. So new week opening gap is just right at consequent encroachment. Let me see. Make sure. Let me see. Yeah, see, there's no way that is a coincidence. Yeah, this one froze. So yeah, I'll holler at y'all, man. Hopefully y'all have a wonderful day. Um, and there we go. We just tagged halfway of consequent encroachment. 10 o'clock, 9:48. Time and price, huh? But yeah, like I said, y'all have a good one. I'll holler.